Hello everyone, welcome to Math Circle. Today I want to show you how to solve this problem, which is a problem from NCERT chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. Let's see. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius, and the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. So first of all, we will see what is given. We are given with the radius of the cone, which is 3.5 centimeter, and the radius of the hemisphere is same. So this height becomes 3.5 centimeter, and the total height of the toy is given, which is 15.5 centimeter. So if we observe carefully, as the total height is 15.5 centimeter and this much height is 3.5 centimeter, the remaining height becomes automatically 15.5 centimeter minus 3.5, which will be 12 centimeter. So first of all, let's write what is given. We are given with the radius of cone, which is equals to the radius of hemisphere. Let's take it r, and it is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Also, we are given with height of the cone as 12 centimeter. To find this total surface area of the toy, we need another value of this cone, which is slanting height, and it is given by L. So L square is equals to HC square plus RC square. Why? Because this is the slanting height of cone. So here HC is 12 into 12 plus RC is 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Solving it, we get 144 plus 12.25, and the final answer will be 156.25. But be careful that this is L square and we need to find L. To find it, we simply take the square root of 156.25. Now, if you don't know how to solve or how to find the square root of any decimal number, you can simply refer to our video by clicking it on I button. Now, I simply write it that it is equals to 12.5 centimeter. Moving to the question, we needed to find total surface area of the toy. To find the total surface area of toy, if you observe here, we need to add lateral surface area of this hemisphere with the lateral surface area of this cone. Which comes intuitively again, lateral surface area of hemisphere plus lateral surface area of cone. Now, if you don't know the formulas of these values, you can simply refer to our video again, in which we have summarized all the formulas of this chapter by clicking it on I button. Now we know lateral surface area of the hemisphere is simply 2 pi r square, and lateral surface area of the cone is pi r L. We simply substitute the values. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 plus 22 by 7 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 12.5. If you observe it, 7 is going with this numerator and in this term also. Solving it, we get the final answer 77 plus 137.5, and the final answer will be 214.5 centimeter square, as this is an area. So with this, we end this solution. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more solutions like this, you can subscribe to our channel Math Circle. Don't forget to like and share. Have a nice day.